Matt, it's so funny because every day before I walk outside, you see it and you think, oh, that doesn't look so bad.
Yeah.
And then you feel it and you're like, whew, it is smoking.
Yeah, you almost have to kind of brace yourself.
You do.
I'm going to open the door. It's going to be bad. Sure enough, it is. Oh, man, it hits you. But it is certainly hot out there. For this evening, an hour-by-hour look, if you've got some plans for the evening hours, 93 at 7 o'clock, on down to 87 by 9. A hot, humid evening with a generally clear sky. And that's what we are right now. Mostly clear in Manhattan. A lot of sunshine, and highs have already reached the upper 90s at both Manhattan as well as in Junction City. We've been in the mid to upper 90s around Topeka, currently 95 with a heat index of 105 with a south wind at 14. It's been muggy. So far made it up to 96. Started out the morning at 79. We'll be pretty close to that number again tomorrow morning. The central part of the country continues to be dominated by a ridge of high pressure, this big blob of heat, and surrounding it there's activity in the form of showers and thunderstorms, but beneath it it's just sunny and hot. And you can see statewide we've got heat index values, large areas from Oklahoma to Nebraska and most of Kansas at or above 100 degrees. Now the air temperatures, 93 at Holton, 99 at Marysville, 98 for Junction City, Manhattan, as well as Concordia. Emporia did not check in correctly at the airport in their hourly observation, so those numbers aren't going to be representative of what's really there, but we've got middle to upper 100 heat index values. 108 at Forbes, Marysville and Manhattan at 107, and the dew point, that measurement of humidity, a little drier west in the mid to upper 60s, but mid 70s over the eastern half of the area, and that is certainly high humidity. And the humidity should again settle back down closer to 70 tomorrow, so it'll still be muggy, but not quite as oppressive as what we've been seeing today over the eastern counties. Western areas a little bit drier than eastern areas. That should be the case over the next few days, but the temperature will be a little higher there. Southerly winds 10 to 20. It'll be a breezy evening, breezy night as well. Future track showing the winds only coming down to about 10, maybe 10 to 15 miles per hour overnight to 6 a.m. and then picking back up tomorrow at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Now the heat index will once again make a climb. Tomorrow afternoon, triple digits, 105, pushing 110 in spots, especially northwest tomorrow. Then we'll go into Friday, heat index 104 to 108. So continued very hot. And then we head into Saturday, this time closer to 102 to 105. The good news is that should be the end of the really hot weather, as some relief will be coming into the area. Tomorrow's forecast written out for you. South winds 10 to 15, 78 early in the morning, but we start to make a rise up to about 100 degrees tomorrow afternoon, 94 in the evening, and it will continue to be a humid evening for tomorrow. Your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast, 100 for Thursday, 102 on Friday, 100 on Saturday as well. And then finally, some relief coming in, starting up later in the day Sunday. It may not be right away, but as we head into Sunday afternoon and evening, we'll start to increase the chance for scattered thunderstorms. And Brooke, I've been talking about it being a very slight chance. It's looking better. So it's heading in the right direction, that it looks like some storms Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, kind of that scattered off and on pattern returning, with high temperatures coming back down closer to 90 as we head into next week. So we go through this little blast of heat for this week, and maybe not quite as hot next week.
At least it's looking a little bit better. There's a little more hope.
There's light out on the horizon.
Yeah.